Hey everyone, and welcome to an episode of Tea Time with Tiff. I've got my tea. Today is peppermint tea, very Christmassy. As you can see, the Christmas decorations are up in the TrouMode's household. So Tea Time is a series where I sit down with you guys with my cup of tea and I talk about all things fashion, trends, celebrities, anything going on, anything where I have tea to talk about while I sip my tea. Oh, it's still too hot. So today is a trendy tea time where I am going to be talking all about the page boy, newsboy, conductor, whatever you want to call it, caps. As you can see, I've got my conductor cap on right now. This little cute hat I got from Discovery for $8. It has like some sparkle material threads through it, which I love. It's super comfy. I feel like it's not too out there. It's not too like in your face trendy. It's funny because my boyfriend actually saw pictures of girls wearing these types of hats on Instagram. He was like, these look like conductor hats. And I had actually seen different pictures earlier that day where I was like, ooh, I love this trend. Like, it's pretty cute. I think I might want to get it. And then I was like, oh, well, you don't like it? He's like, well, they just look like train conductors. He's like, not if you wear it, you'll look cute. I was like, you have to say that. So then I was like, no, I don't want it. It looks like a train conductor. But then I was at Discovery and I saw this and I tried it on 4 separate times. And I was like, you know what, Tiffany, this is super cute. So I bought it. I think I look pretty cute in it. Just saying. Anyways, today I'm going to be talking to you guys about this trend. We're gonna go over some celebrities that are wearing it, some models, and see how they are styling it, and you know, all the ways you can make it super cute. First off, we have Elsa Hosk. She looks amazing as per usual. Elsa Hosk is one of my favorite Victoria's Secret angels. And you can see here, she is wearing it to Coachella. She paired it with a black top and a huge statement necklace, which I love. I love how her cap is actually a leather material. I think it makes it super edgy. I love how she just made it a monochromatic black outfit. I think she looks super chic and it's a nice little twist for Coachella. It's not super boho, which I think could be overdone sometimes. So she is a win for me. The next person we have is Bella Hadid. So she paired it with a denim vest with, it looks like a sweatshirt underneath. She's got some pinstriped pants on. She's got some kind of netted booty going on, a belt. I think it's a little all over the place. I think she tried to fit too many trends into one outfit. Like, you don't need this distressed denim jacket with the big sweatshirt look with these pinstriped pants and a fishnet looking booty and a huge chain belt. I think it was a little too much. I love the cap. I love the idea of wearing it with the pinstriped pant. I think maybe if she would have just done the sweatshirt, not the denim vest over it, that could have been a little bit of a cleaner look. And maybe if she did a solid black booty or even a sneaker, I think that would have been a little bit better. To me, it's just feeling a little all over the place. She looks great, but the outfit is a little bit of a miss for me. Next, we have Blake Lively, and I mean, can Blake Lively ever go wrong in an outfit? No. Serena van der Woodsen is here to stay. Blake Lively has just all the trendiest, high fashion, chicest looks ever, and she just always looks amazing. She paired this page white cap in a super classic way. She just got an oversized sweater over a black trouser and a simple black pump. I mean, she looks classic, she looks chic. She can do no wrong ever. Blake Lively is here to stay. Next, we have Kaia Gerber, and Kaia took a super feminine twist on the page boy cap, which I love. Hers has some gold chain detailing, which I am always about a gold chain detail, and she paired that cap with the girliest, pinkest, fluffiest coat you could imagine. I love it. I think she looks elegant. I think she looks very much her age because remember, she is still super young. What is she, like 17 now? I like how she's dressing her age. She's making this cap that a lot of people tend to make either like super classic or super edgy. She's making it very feminine, very fun. I think this works for her and I would actually pair it together like that as well. Kendall Jenner. I don't love this outfit, but I don't dislike this outfit either. The biggest part of it that's kind of throwing me off is the hat. I think it's a little too bulky on her. I love that it's a blue velvet. However, I think the brim of the hat the head area, it's just too much. It looks too like sitting on her head like a Mad Hatter hat. I don't love it. I do love her leather pants. I love how she paired the velvet with the leather. That is showing you can mix texture. I think that could be a lot of people's apprehension is to mix textures like that, but I love how she mixed the leather with the denim, with the velvet. I think that all works together. For me, it's just the shape of the hat. I think if it was like a flatter pageboy cap like this one, I think it would have worked a little bit better, but for me, that's just what's throwing me off, but I do love the overall outfit together. I also love how she kept it all very cool tone. The hat is a deep blue and she paired it with a blue denim. She didn't try to like mix warm and cool tones together. I think outfits can always look a little bit cleaner and a little more put together when you stay in terms of the color tones. So I love how she stuck to that, and you could even see a little bit of her sunglasses. Those look like they have some silver detailing. She's got silver detailing on the jacket. Again, cool tones. So for me, this outfit was just really well put together besides the shape of the hat. Last but not least, we have another look from Blake Lively because she is just style goals. This time she's got more of a gray vintagey looking pageboy cap than the black one that she previously wore. And I love the way that she paired it with this amazingly fitted blue suit. And then she even complemented that with a black edgy combat boot. I love the combination of everything. She's got vintage in the hat, she's got super classic in the suit, and then she's got like edgy vibes in the combat boot. I think not a lot of people could pull that off together, but I think the way in which she did it works really well for her. Because the suit is so fitted, she is able to do a bulkier shoe like that combat boot. If this was a looser suit, overall she would have just looked bulky and kind of like the outfit was wearing her, but she is definitely wearing this outfit. I think it was a very bold move to pair everything together, and it just works. Blake Lively knows her body, she knows what's gonna look best on her, and she knows what pieces to pair together so that she is rocking the outfit and that she is the one in control. Because a lot of times, like I said, it can look like the outfit is wearing you when you've got so much going on, but this works for her. I love her. So again, yeah, 2 Blake Lively looks in this video because she's the best. Oh, and we've got one more addition to the pageboy cap look. It's me. You know, I think I pull it off pretty well, just saying. I paired it with this really cute Zara overall style dress with sparkles in it, and the sparkles in the dress actually complement the sparkle texture of the hat. It's the same texture, so that coordinates well together, as you can see in the photo. And then I just paired a fitted burgundy wine colored top underneath. It's got some gold button detailing, a scalloped neckline, and then I just throw on some classic jewelry pieces. Since the main statement of this is obviously the hat, and in this photo you can see I actually just have a pair of like black sparkle sock booties on. I wanted to go super kind of like classic, a little bit preppy in my take on the pageboy cap. And I just love how this outfit turned out. I kind of like threw it together last minute. I was like, oh yeah, I have this dress. It matches the same texture of the cap. I'll wear that. But yeah, I like how it turned out. So, whose look was your favorite in this video? I think my favorite look is either Kaia Gerber's look or Blake Lively's first look, the classic one with the oversized sweater, the black trouser, and the classic black pump. That or Kaia Gerber, those looks were doing it for me. So cute, so chic, and just fit both women very well in terms of who they are. If you liked this video and you want to see more of Tea Time with Tiff, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you will get notified every time I publish a new video. It would also really help me out if you subscribe. Please also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. This is Tiffany signing off with my tea. Peppermint tea is the best. Okay everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time on Tea Time with Tiff.